number bases. So what is a number base? Okay, so let us see the definition of number base. Okay, so number base is number of different digits that a number system use. Okay, so for example, base 2. Okay, base 2, you will have 2 different digits, which is 0 and 1. Okay, and this is normally used in a computer binary system. Okay, this is the example. For example, the computer only know 2 numbers, which is 0 and 1. Another example is decimal number system, which is base 10, okay, which have 10 different digits from 0 until 9. This is the number system that we use every day. Okay, so it is base 10. So what are the example of number bases? Okay, so we have base 2, base 3, and then up to base 10, and they are higher than base 10. Okay, so for base 2, you have 2 different digits, which are 0 and 1. For base 3, you have 3 different digits, which are 0, 1, and 2, and so on. Okay, and for base 10, you have 10 different digits from 0 to 9. Okay, so what are the examples? Okay, you are very familiar with this one, right? Okay, example is you can use any of these 10 digits. Okay, for example, 7717. Okay, so normally in we skip this base 10, right? Okay, 7717, because we know this is base 10. Okay, but in this chapter you have to write. But if you see a number 7717 that without writing anything, you need to assume that this is base 10. Okay, so for base 2, you only can use 0 and 1. You cannot use higher than 1. So for example, 10 base 2, or 11 base 2, or even higher, 110 base 2. Okay, the same thing for base 3. Okay, the highest is number 2. So 12 base 3, or 2100 base 3. Okay, the same thing goes to 3. Base 4, sorry, the same thing goes to base 4, 321 base 4. So you notice that for base 2, the number is less than 2, but for base 3, the digits are less than 3. For base 6, all the numbers are less than 6. Okay, so if you see something like 782 base 5, this is wrong, because base 5 you cannot have numbers like 7 and 8, because 7 and 8 are higher than 5. For base 5, you can only have numbers less than 5. For example, 432 base 5, this is correct. Okay, so that's the introduction for chapter 2, number bases. Thanks for watching.